Okay, morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when and where you're watching me from. Okay, today I'm going to show you how you can secure your files, your data when you want to uninstall your Xampp server. This sometimes you could have an issue, maybe a script you want to work on needs you to install a newer or older version of Xampp server, and in a situation where you already have a lot of projects that are ongoing, uh, the situation where you already have so many projects in your Xampp, and now there's need for you to uninstall. Okay, so there are tricks for you to. There are some tricks out there for you to, upgrade the Xampp, the PHP version of Xampp that you have, but sometimes it doesn't really work. So all you just have to do is to save your files. Okay, but now how do you save these files? Okay, in a session where you already have let's say more than 20 databases in your phpMyAdmin, now it means you have to manually start exporting them. You need to start exporting them one after the other. Okay, though I don't have much. If you look at this place here, I don't really have much database here, but even as small as it is, most people will not want to start going through them to export one after the other. Okay, so I want to show you how you can save this all these databases you see here. So let us go to the system. Let me show you what to do. Okay, so you go to your local disk, look for the folder where you install your htdoc, where you install your Xampp. This is Xampp folder. Okay, so now what you do first of all is you go to your htdoc and copy the projects you want to copy. But what I do most of the time is I just compress htdoc depending on how much file. So it takes some time depending on how much data you have there. But now you're not going to be, you can just put it and do something else. So you just compress it and copy it. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to your MySQL. Look at the MySQL here. Go to MySQL, then you look for this data. Okay, that's where you have, these are the databases. So you can just also this data here, and also compress it. Okay, then copy it. That's where you have all your databases. So when you reinstall, or when you install a newer version or an older version, what you just need to do is go to the compress data folder, then copy any database you want and paste it, because the new Xampp you're going to install will also have its own have its own folders like this, or directories will be there. So all you just need to do is copy. For instance, you need this sort db, so you just copy it, and then you also come to this Xampp, the new Xampp, and look for the data and paste it. And then most of the times you have your problem solved doing this. So this is just a trick that I've used and it worked for me, because in a number of cases I had to uninstall and upgrade the version that I have, so or update the version I have. So I have to just do this and then copy it. But don't replace the folder. You don't try to replace the folder. All you do is copy the database, the folders, like I just showed you something like this sort here. So just copy them like this. You can control copy all, control A, copy all, then paste it in the directory. So you don't have to have to replace the folder, the data directory that the new Xampp is going to install for you. So just copy and paste into it. Okay, so that, but most of the time when it doesn't work, it's because you're trying to replace it. You're feeling a bit lazy to copy the data you need. So don't replace folder, just copy the data you want and paste it in the new directory. Okay, thank you very much. Try to click on the subscribe button down below to get more of our updates. Bye.